Hey guys, Travis here with Savy Sons, Technical Director of the Pipelining Division. We specialize in underground infrastructure restoration. We're a third generation family business, and when we started originally communicating, down in manholes, we would just scream and yell and give hand signals and everything. And now you're able to, work and communicate and not even be in sight of a person that you may be working with, and you can communicate crystal clear like you guys are working shoulder to shoulder, talking right to each other. So definitely come a long way from what we used to do to what we do now, and just making it more streamlined, more safe, easier on the guys. And we've tried other equipment, and nothing's compared to the ease of use and communication that these Sonetics provide our guys on all different types of projects and all different kinds of places and backgrounds. The other thing that the Sonetics has helped us do is just increase efficiency, and you can talk totally normal and know exactly what the person said and have no issues with that communication. So it definitely helps massively increase efficiency and knowing exactly what's going on, and ruling out that risk factor of potentially getting the wrong information or no information. We love our Sonetics the most because it increased safety. And the most important thing here at our family owned and our family operated business is everybody here is like family. We want every single person here, all of our team members, to come in and be safe and be able to go home to their families. So the most important thing is having gear like the Sonetics that we can go on a project and not worried about a miscommunication or somebody being able to transfer a communication or confirm something that is, could be, dead or alive scenario, make or break the project or somebody's safety. And that's definitely the biggest part on this piece of equipment, is keeping our guys safe 100%.